All right, everybody, we're back today. It's a gorgeous Sunday afternoon. Fall's just around the corner. 1st of September. Starting to cool off a little bit. Middle Georgia. One of the things I was going to show you a couple of months ago, well, it was early spring. One of my daughters said, "Hey, Dad, let's go do axe throwing." So I started to think to myself, well, that's going to cost me about $200 for an hour and a half of fun that I'll never get to do again unless I pay $150 to $200 more again. So I said, hey, let's just build one. So if this is one of those things where if you have the space, or if you got a place where you can roll it into the garage or basement, it's something you might think about doing with the family. I know axe throwing, probably not for the 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 year old, but if you do it the right way and you got a place for it, it's kind of fun. I'll show you the board that we built. Went that day and put it together pretty quick. I think I got $100 in the wood, and then I ordered some different things you can throw, different knives, all types of stuff. Probably another $125. So all in, I might have $200, $250 in it, but we can use it over and over again. I'll show you, it's kind of fun. I'm going to show you the board real quick. So if you, it's really pretty simple. You just run the boards vertical. That way it's going to stick into your panel a lot better when your axes go against them. And then you just hang it from the tree. So in this instance, I'm going to back up here. I actually have a kind of an axe throwing aisle here. Put down a little log here where you can kind of show where you're supposed to go. And then if you want to, you can stick your axes into, the logs next to you. All right, I'll show you what you do here. Here's some of the axes, kind of cool. You can get them on Amazon for $30. I love these. They really throw well. There's all types of knives, all types of things you can get. I know it sounds a little crazy, but they throw really well. Let's see if I can hold this and throw one. How about it? You can aim them really well. It's a great way to get your frustrations out. It is an awesome family fun. You can see, you just come out here with a permanent marker, mark something off, and they throw really well. Fun for the whole family, as long as the family's a little older. But I highly encourage that as something that's kind of like something fun to do. A whole lot, you get a lot more use out of it than going to an axe throwing place and doing it one time for $150, $200. Anyway, hope you have a great rest of the weekend. Happy Labor Day to everybody. Post some more videos coming up. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you did. Thanks.